The episode starts with Nana crying. It turns out Vagayo left her child and disappeared from the village. This makes Grandma have a panic attack. After that, we see the negative Rizman and Grandma's brother talking about Vagayo disappearing. This makes the negative Rizman happy. After that, we see Nana taking out her sheep for a walk. Before she does that, she sees Vagayo's son tied. Looks like he spent the night there. The Nana untied him and she took him outside in secret. She finds Grandma's godfather. This is a good news because the priest is extremely good person. Nana told him everything and the priest told her to take him in his house until everything gets cooled down. After that we see the new bride talking to her friend. They talk about her wedding and Wagayo, the old bride, beauty. This makes the new bride jealous and eventually they separate. After that, one of the villagers comes to Grandma's house. She was looking for Grandma, and the new bride tells her she is sick and the guest was kind of cruel. She said the only normal person in this family is Grandma. You curse her too. The new bride gets pissed when she hears this, but she didn't reply. And the guest stayed there because she loves drama and she thinks there is something wrong. According to their culture, could not make your guest leave, so the new bride did nothing. After that, we see the priest and David Wagayo's son gives the priest a letter written by his mother. The letter says, I have to look for someone, so until then, take care of my son. After that, the priest and David gets alone. Turns out the priest was sending letters to his mother, and David was the one who's reading the letters. So he already know everything about his village and his family. So their conversation was not poker.